fountain.
That's right. No, that was Pink. At
Yes.
number 10 with Effing Perfect.
That was the fountain.
Oo. Fountain.
Okay.
I get.
I
Kasi
get.
it's Daily Top 10.
That is right. Anyway, Nina, I care to explain to everyone what we're doing here.
Okay, we are here in UST for the USTV Award.
That is
Student Choice Award.
right. The very prestigious, and it's their 7th.
It's their 7th this year.
Uh-huh.
And since, it's all about the students, we want to talk to a few of the students here. The Tomasians.
Are you kidding me?
Uh-huh.
Are you? Oh my God, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my
We're
God,
going
let's
to look for some Tomasians.
Yes. And
Interview.
hindi nila alam na kakausapin natin
Oo.
sila.
Barkada to.
Oo
Parang
nga.
barkada.
Hi,
Hey,
guys! Pwede ba kaming mang-istorbo? Anong year na kayo? High
Fourth
school
year
pa
high
pala.
school.
So parang hindi
So-
nag-match yung ipinprepare nating mga questions. Fourth year high school, sige, join tayo dito sa kanilang Berkshires, okay?
Puta lang, okay.
So bilang fourth year high school na kayo, plano nyo bang dito mag-college?
Opo.
At ano namang course? Engineering. Iba-iba.
Accountancy dito. Yes
Accountancy?
naman. Accountancy. Ikaw na sa fountain ka pa rin. Masyado akong na-excite
Lord
sa
of the
fountain.
Okay. Ano po yun, kuya? Sige, ilabas mo yung hinanaing mo. Ayokong tinatago mo yung feelings mo eh. Ilabas mo yung ano yung feelings mo. I-share mo sa amin.
Wala po.
Wala. Sigurado ka. Kanina parang ang lalim ng pinanghuhugutan mo. Sure ka, kuya. It's your last chance.
Pero ito,
sige.
may nakita akong speakers kasi. So, ano ba yung ginagawa niyo dito? Ba't kayo tumatambay dito?
Practice po, dahil tomorrow po may dance competition po kami sa high school.
Ang tari naman ng dumadance competition.
So, talentful sila.
Pangarap ko yan talaga nung bata ako.
Talentful.
Gusto ko maging dancer. Nanonood ba kayo guys ng Knicks?
Opo.
Nag-agree ba kayo na akong pinakamagaling sumayaw?
Hala. Ayan na.
Kaya rin.
Oy! May sound effect pa dito.
Oo nga. Nakakaloka. Okay, so isa kayong barkada.
Opo.
Ano ang favorite part nyo of UST?
Every part is a favorite.
of UST.
Anything in particular? Like, saan yung favorite tumambay? Saan? Quadri po. Marami bang love story na nabubuo dito?
Wala po eh.
Naku, parang...
Meron siya.
Naku.
Kakaloka.
But guys, since gusto niyo sumayaw, ito, si Katy Perry, hindi daw siya dancer. Hindi daw
Talaga?
siya dancer, oo. Pero, may dance.
What?
Sabi niya, hindi daw siya magaling sumayaw. So, maybe they can show us some dance moves later on. But for now, here's Katy Perry with Fireworks.